Down here, when I'm working with students, I'm a teacher and a mentor and a working artist. The first prints I made were actually here on campus. I was taken with everything about it immediately. The making of something. When we make these things at the sink, when you're realizing the print with chemistry, there's this moment that the image appears, and it's dynamic. It reveals itself in a special way, and it is a magical moment. The conversation that we have here helps a student understand what the story is that they want to tell, because we don't just teach here, we mentor here. So you can join us with very little experience and be taken along, understand the technology, and feel very liberated in learning how to make these things, even if they're brand new to you. It's a profound thing that happens here.